Hi beauties, I hope that you are well. So my Amazon order has arrived and I went ahead and ordered some nail supplies, nail packaging. And I just went ahead and looked inside the box just to make sure everything was there. It does look like everything is here. So if you want to see all of the nail supplies that I purchased, please keep on watching. Welcome back beauties, it's your girl Tiabella and we are just going to go straight in, starting off with this 100 piece premium sheer organza. Now I do believe if you are going to start your own nail business, I definitely think first impression is the best impression to make, so definitely be creative with how you package your products. I'm going to be putting a little nail kit together for my customers and everything will go into this. They can see what's inside. It's pink, it's girly, it's feminine, it's really cute, and it goes with the theme that I want to go with. Now these bags are going to go into this bigger pink envelope. I believe this is called a bubble envelope or bubble mailer. I got this off of Amazon. Well, actually everything is from Amazon. And this is a pack of 50, I believe. You can see that this shipped from China. However, I was able to find it on Amazon and I think the size is pretty good. I think this is a 6 by 10 it says, and I'm gonna show you the size of this so that you can see how big it is and how the organza bag is going to fit into this. So it's a really good size. I was kind of afraid that it wasn't going to be big enough, but actually I'm going to show you right now that it's a pretty decent size. And so if we put the organza bag up to it, you can see that we still have quite a bit of space to put some extra products into this bubble envelope. So I really like that. And you can see that it's not transparent. There is a little white liner on the inside, and it doesn't feel flimsy. Like the padding does feel like it can protect what's inside of this mailer. So let's move on. I also ordered some of this, I want to say holographic. This is 100 pieces of, they say Mylar Ziploc bags. These are kind of what you use if you want to put like little snacks, little cookies, little candies and stuff in. But these would be perfect for adding small items into here. So let's say, for example, I want to send my customers a small sample of a foil wrap or a glitter or something small. That's what I would use these bags for, and I like how reflective it is. I feel like it adds a little dazzle to the whole packaging, and it's not flimsy, you know, it still feels pretty strong. It feels like it can hold some small items in here. So let me hold this up against the bubble envelope so that you can see. Yeah, so we have good amount of space to put a few of these little holographic bags in there. So next up I have this 100 piece of alcohol pads. This has 75% ethanol alcohol in it. These pads are mainly used to help dehydrate the nail bed. So when you are sending your customers either just nail tips or designed press on nails, you definitely want to make sure that they have the basic necessities. So alcohol wipes would definitely be one of those basic necessities and a nice touch to your nail kit. I'm just going to go ahead and put one of these in each of the pink organza bags that I showed you, and that's going to be a part of my nail kit. Okay, so next up I have this big bag, and this is one bag of mini colorful nail F salon. So I believe these are the mini buffers. Yes, That's exactly what it is. Oh, good. So there seems to be a good amount of nail buffers in here. So this is something that you would want to include in your nail kit as well. Um, I believe I paid, I'm not sure. Now, always be sure to inspect your supplies and your products that you're including in your customer orders. You can see here that there's a little bit of fuzz or a little bit of, little dark spots on the edges. But just for the purpose of this video, I am just making this kit so that you have an idea of what you can make for your own customers. But that is obviously not something that I would give to my customers. And here is a last look at this pack of mini nail buffers. Now I'm going to move on to mini files. Definitely something else that you need to have in your nail kit. This is 100 mini nail files, and they are of different designs and different colors on them. And this is just a little small one to help your clients prepare their nails for their press-ons. So here is a close-up look of that file. So cute, and you can see that it's this length of my pinky finger, so it's nothing too large. It's just a small mini file to help your customers get started preparing their nails, their own nails, to put on your wonderfully designed press-on nails. I'm just going to put these back into the bag, and then we're going to move on to another essential product that you need for your nail kits, and that's these wooden cuticle sticks. They have different names, like they have orange wood or nail cuticle sticks, wooden cuticle sticks, but definitely this is something that is necessary for your customers to have so that they can push those cuticles back and help prepare the nail. So you can see that it has a sticky point at one edge, and then it has like a slanted point at the other edge. So yeah, I'm gonna put those in that bag. It's looking cute already. Okay, so let's move on to, this is our nail tip glue. Now, I was a little bit hesitant to purchase nail glue because I really don't want to be held liable for the quality of this glue. But at the end of the day, I do think it makes it easier for your customers to put your press-on nails on as quickly as possible by having some glue into your kit. So I ended up purchasing this. If it doesn't work, obviously it's not a product of myself, so technically I don't feel 100% responsible, but I will probably include a little packet of these nail adhesive tabs for those individuals that don't want to use glue, because some people could very well be sensitive to the chemical. I haven't tested these out. I can't 100% say that they work really well, but I will test these out before I give them to my customers. But I think having these in the pack as well is just another way to say, hey, if you don't want to use the glue, here's something else. You don't have to use it, but it's there if you need it. So another item that I purchased is this kind of pearly cardstock paper. It's a little bit strong, but it's not hard. So I haven't quite figured out yet what I'm going to do with this, but I have it in case I needed to be creative with my packaging. I also got these thank you stickers. Thank you for supporting my small business. And it's pink. It's not exactly the same pink as the organza bag or even the bubble mailer. You can see that it's a little bit different in terms of the shade, but I think at the end of the day, you definitely still want to have something that says thank you, and this does the job. I also decided to get some cute stickers. These are visco stickers. I really like how cute they are. I believe I got two different sets. One was a pack of 100 and the other was a pack of 150, and there's just a variety of different things in here. There's little cars and donuts and Dunkin' Donuts, and it's just really cute. Something cute to have. And I think for some people this would be a nice touch. You definitely want to make sure that you have something free in your packets that you send out to your customers. Okay, so I also picked up this clear plastic card bag. I think this is a pack of 50 and it's 6" by 6". Now I do plan to cut this white pearl paper and then insert them into this bag. Still haven't figured out what I'm going to do with these, but I purchased it just because it's good to have now. It doesn't quite fit in, so I'm going to have to bend it or fold it just a little bit in order for it to actually fit into the bubble mailer, but it is always something good to have. I needed to get some more of these stiletto practice. As you can see here, I've been swatching a lot of the polishes that I've been purchasing from Amazon, and I started to run out, so I definitely wanted to have some more of these stiletto tips. And I believe this is a pack of 100. The last set that I got was just a pack of 80, so I was able to find one for 100, so I'm very happy with that. So that is everything that I have ordered. I hope this video inspires you to create your own little nail kits. Maybe you needed some ideas for some nail supplies. Go out there and create your own little nail magic. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.